Hello everyone, good evening. This is Senthil from Sashra, and last 2 days it's been quite hectic and the market is going all the way up actually. So we were quite busy in doing our own trading as well. So that's the reason why I couldn't post any videos as such. And today let's quickly look at what happened in the market. It was quite an exciting day actually, I would say. So what's happening in the market is, so if you clearly look at it, we are still having the channel pattern is still intact, and the market has reached all-time high today market closed around 22,967 and points, and we are nearing the upper range of the channel again, right? So we have to be cautious enough because I think the upper part of the channel will be around like 23,060 50 to 70 levels probably. That is the range which I am currently looking out for. If you clearly notice, it will be around 23,070, or probably it can go until 23,100 if I'm not wrong. So it can go up and then come as a red candle and stay below this. I'm not sure, so we just need to wait and watch. That's how the pattern follows usually. And also the reason why I'm saying this is few reasons. I think we just have only couple of weeks for the election results to come out, so the market might be slightly panicky from next week onwards. So kindly take the position accordingly. And also one of the key reasons behind why the market went up is the government has received a huge dividend actually, and also from the PSU companies which they have invested in close to 2.1 lakh crores which they have received as a dividend. That is one of the biggest news, I would say. And also the GDP growth is being projected on the higher side for the upcoming quarters. That is also one of the good news. And everyone are expecting BJP to come back to power as well. That is another news. So that's one of the key reasons behind the market has been on the higher side back to back. So where is the next target is? So the next target, so the area to look out for is 23,050 to 23,100. That is the area to look out for. If any close happen above this channel, can be a big breakout will happen. We can see another 500 to 600 points up move will come over there, but we need to just wait and watch, right? Because tomorrow is a weekly close as well. So market clearly it is in the uptrend, and then it is in the channel pattern. So we need to see how this channel pattern is playing out. That I'm quite keenly watching out for. So this is what is happening in the Nifty clearly. And just keep it simple. So as soon as Nifty came above 5 days moving average, it never went back below the 5 days moving average. So the 5 days moving average will act as a key support. So every time market will take a support from there and move on. So any day if the market breaks down below the 5 days moving average, then that's where we need to start taking a reversal position. Like we can take a put, or future we can sell it out. So those things which we can clearly do it. Okay, so right now market is clear in the uptrend. So next point we need to watch out is 23,050 to 23,100 levels. That's the area to watch out for. So what's happening in the Bank Nifty part? Let's quickly look at Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index, it's clearly taken a support in the trend line, and it has come back to its previous resistance right now, right? So if you could clearly see it, we have already marked these lines. So market is clearly on the resistance line. So I think momentum is still there in Bank Nifty. It can go all the way above 49,000 again. Today it gave us such a very huge move, close to 1,000 points up move in the Bank Nifty, and it has clearly come out very well. And probably the next target it will try is closing above this blue line, and then first any close above 49,050 or 49,100 will take the Bank Nifty again back to 50,000 levels. That is the area which I am looking for. Or Bank Nifty will have a slight resistance around 49,250 levels. That is the one area which we need to carefully look at it. So once 49,250 is taken out, this area 49,250 is taken out, I think the next target would be around 49,800 or 50,000 levels will be the next target. So this is what happening in the Bank Nifty. Let's quickly look at some big names, because what is happening in the market is not the small companies are moving, but the large caps have started to move. That is the key reason behind it. If we quickly see, right, so it's again, we just need to alter our pattern right now. Previously the pattern was like triangle, it was there. I think it's more like a wedge. Now it has become a channel, right? If you could clearly notice, and there is a breakout happen in the Reliance today in the channel pattern. So where will Reliance go? It's so 3000 to 28, I think close to 200-300 points more. I think Reliance will reach close to 3100 levels in the next move, probably. That's what will happen. So I think we need to wait. It has clearly given the breakout. Any retest happened around 2940 levels, right? That will be the good place to take the position right now. So we need, tomorrow we can wait until Reliance come back to these levels, or else any close above 3012 is the clear breakout in Reliance. Even now it has given a good breakout. I think the next target can be around 3100 levels. That will 3100 to 150 or 200 levels will be the next target, which we can invest on, right? This is on Reliance. Reliance clearly made a good breakout now. And what is happening with IDFC First Bank? IDFC First Bank also coming out from the triangle again. Previously it came out from the triangle, then the results came, it went back into the pattern, but again now it is coming back up again, because in weekly it has taken a double bottom, and since it has took a double bottom in the weekly, so it is coming out in the triangle. If you could clearly notice, there is a breakout coming out of the pattern right now, right? So tomorrow any close above this triangle will be a good breakout in IDFC First Bank. And also one of my signals have clearly given it's a buy from now on. So probably IDFC First Bank can do well from here on. If you want to invest fresh, you can definitely do it, right? And even if you look at Wipro is also clearly on the breakout point, right? So if you could clearly see it now, it has clearly given the breakout, and it needs to pick up momentum from here on. So because today it has clearly given a close above the previous closes. It was a good close. I think last few 20-25 sessions there was not such a good close has been given. Today it has given a clear close. I think from tomorrow it has to move on to the higher side. That's what we are looking for in Wipro. Probably 470 to 475 will be the first target for Wipro. And I think this stock I'm speaking quite a lot of time now. So if you could clearly see it, yes. So even JP Power is above the 5 days moving average now. It has not gone below the 5 days moving average in the last few days. So if this continues, and it is also clearly over the triangle pattern as well, if this continues, I think we can see 20 above tomorrow, and any close above 20 above will be the good momentum pickup, and it's a clear breakout as well. And one stock which is currently in my radar is Infibeam. Infibeam has been quite a laggard for quite a few weeks now. I think the Infibeam can do well because the results of Infibeam came out really well as well. So I think this is how we need to plot a chart. If you could clearly see it, yes, there is again a double bottom in the chart. If you could clearly look at it, yes, so that's how it trades. So today it was in the downside momentum, but there's no big momentum as well. It was very small momentum, and it has closed in green, surprisingly. So I guess if any moment has to come, it has to come tomorrow, and it has to pick up from here and move on to the higher side, because two bottoms have already come up. I think it has to move on from here actually, because the results have come up really well. Hopefully it will go up on the upper side. So which stock can we look out for? I think Bank of Maharashtra is already doing really well. Bank of Maharashtra, if you could see it, today I think it couldn't withstand around 70 levels. So any close above 70 will open the target towards 75 to 78. That is one thing which we need to look out for. So clearly it's on the uptrend as well. Bank of Maharashtra, And if you could see Bajaj Finance also gave a good move today. So tomorrow, if Nifty manages to close above 23,100 above levels, then it's a clear breakout in Nifty. If Nifty closes negative tomorrow after hitting 23,000, then there will be some sell-off will happen in all the stocks. So we need to be careful enough, right? Keep that point in mind. I think let's quickly see on gold. After making some good highs, there was a clear doji at the top, and from there gold started to coming down, right? So it has come down a few dollars from the top as well, from 2,440 to close to $100 it has come down. Let's see where the gold comes around. So I'm expecting, so where can we see gold from here on? There is a move. It has taken a support around 61.8 levels. That is the most important level. If this level is breaks down, I think it can go all the way to 2,314, right? So tomorrow is a weekly close as well, so we need to see it as a higher time frame. If any close below this 5 days moving in, it can go down as well. So we need to watch out how gold closes tomorrow. That is another important thing. So natural gas futures clearly made an high around 235 close to. So that is one of the clear resistance in the past. So that's the reason why it is struggling there. So any close below this will bring in some selling pressure in the next week. So keep that in mind on the natural gas. I think we covered most of the stocks. So from the overall perspective of the market clearly on the bull run. Any close about 23,100 will be a fresh bull run again, but keeping in mind next few weeks will be very volatile because the election results and exit polls will make that. If there is any negative things comes up in the exit polls, then that will create a panic in the market. If the exit polls on the positive side, I don't think there will be much panic in the market, I guess. If BJP is winning clearly, there shouldn't be any issues as such. If there is any uncertainty comes up in the market, then there will be any unparliamentary things or other things will create a panic in the market, right? So I think keep trading well and look out for some good stocks as well. And I think only the large cap stocks have gone up like anything. There are some small stocks, mid cap stocks has to go on. So invest in those stocks and mint a lot of money. So if there is anything comes up, I'll keep posting the updates as well. So I think at this moment, thanks a lot guys. Have a great evening. Bye bye.